Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting a Wi-Fi network on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then tap Wi-Fi Networks. You only seem to be able to forget a network that you are currently connected to, so tap on the network that you are connected to and then tap Forget. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.